So for our ongoing class, we're working on a new finger exercise. Oh, isn't that exciting? I think I'm the only one who's excited here. And I call it the spider. You can call it anything you want and share your names in the chat. That should be interesting. It covers 4 frets and 4 strings, and it's a diagonal. So it's going like that. It's not going up and down. It's going like this. And we're going to start on the G string, and we're going to end on the A string. So I'm doing it with my finger picking position with my right hand. You know, you could just use your thumb and pluck. You could use another finger and pluck, but I like to reinforce my sense of what's comfortable for me is this thing right here. So you're looking right here. So I'm doing that with my right hand. So we're starting on the 1st fret and going to push in on that G string and hold it down. Now, can you guess? It's sort of a step ladder type thing. I'm going to go to the 2nd fret to the C string. Okay. Now we're going to go to the 3rd fret to the E string. And then 4th fret, A string. So you see how we have that diagonal here? That is a chord that creates a lot of tension, huh? So let's try this. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it again. 2, 3, 4. It's a good stretch, huh? Now, let's move our index finger to the 2nd fret and try it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. Now the 3rd fret, and I'm doing it twice. You can do it once. 4th fret. I already have it down. I'm going to keep it down. Now, let's try it again. And we'll go from the G string to the A string just once and then move up a fret and see how that goes. Really slowly, because the point of this is precision, not speed, and to place our fingers in our left hand in the sweet spot of each fret so we get the best sound. So 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2nd fret. Oops, let me do that again. 3rd fret. 4th fret. 5th fret. Are you having fun yet?